All right, quick little video on how to navigate through my specific Canvas page. Usually we spend the first day in class going through Canvas, answering some questions, figuring things out, setting everything up, downloading the necessary apps that we need for the school year. We aren't able to do that, so I'm making a video for everybody to watch. Parents and students can watch this to kind of navigate through Canvas. I'll be talking about just the biggest questions that I see from students. I know that there's 100 more questions that I'm not addressing, so if there's something more specific that you would like an answer to, send me an email and I will help you out. So when you click on my class, this is the first thing that pops up. You'll see pretty much the same exact home page for all of your classes because the school told us we had to use this particular home page for everyone. So all of those links are the same, should be the same for every single class. So for my specific class, we're going to go to weekly agenda right here, and it goes to my specific home page. So this is what you will see. If you want to read about me, right there's your link. Contact information, which is just my email address. Our Padlet discussion board, we're going to use that since we can't actually talk in class. We'll use the Padlet discussion board just for fun. Probably not anything educational. We'll just share some stuff, be able to talk on there. Zoom link to my live Zoom classes is right there. Meeting ID, passcode if you want it. And then here are the different module and topics that we'll be going through this semester for you. So click on the picture for the first one, and that is where we are going to start our year. I have the entire first unit laid out for us. There are some additional links that I'll add to this, so the first day of class might look slightly different, but the layout is going to be the same. So for the first day, we're just doing some intro stuff, a little survey to get to know you. We'll do a Padlet class discussion to introduce you to your classmates, learn a little bit about them, see who's in our class. Maybe you have a friend in my 8th hour class and you're in my 3rd hour class. Now you know who's in my class. Okay, so videos will be linked. Those are in green. We will have warm-ups. I just haven't added them yet. So every day there'll just be 6 questions, simple skills review, stuff that you've already seen before. You'll have that to look through. Don't need to turn it in. Just do it. Honor-based system. Do your warm-up. It'll help you. It's 6 questions. Answers are given. So if we are looking at our actual days, I have our notes listed with an answer key, and then the practice and an answer key, and a video, and our formatives. The video will be on the specific notes for the class, and then the practice is kind of your check for understanding. That's what will be submitted to me in order to unlock the next day's assignment. So if we're looking at an assignment, let's just look at the first one, which is our Math 1 skills review. So we click on that link, and I always try to have a little meme, a little saying, something funny, a fact, a joke, random things on there just to brighten up your day a little bit, make it a little bit more exciting. I have the objectives of the assignment listed, and then a link to the actual assignment. So here is our first day's assignment. We'll go through the specific assignment on the second day. There'll be a video going through it. The 2 big apps aside from Canvas that we'll be using is Notability and Desmos. So Notability is this bluish one that you see. I've got it floating around here. That's what we'll use to take our class notes on if you don't want to use notes on Canvas. Canvas is a little bit boring to take notes. Notability has a couple different options that are easier to use. And then the second one is Desmos. It's this green one right here. This is our graphing calculator. So download the green one. I think Desmos is 100 times easier to use than the graphing calculator. I think the graphing calculator has a lot of extra steps involved when you just want to do one simple thing. For example, if I want to make 0.25 into a fraction, I type in 0.25 and I hit the fraction button on the left-hand side. Gives me my fraction. If I want to graph, I just type in y equals 3x plus 2. Gives me my graph right there. So easy. Gives me my intersection points if I need to know what the intersection points are. Really user-friendly for students, and you can split screen with Desmos. So you can do your assignment on one half, Desmos on the other half. That is about, I'll show you how to submit an assignment. So we go to the share button up at the top. We'll hit Canvas right here. And it already populates with what the course name is. So it should be math. And then the assignment name. So do a quick double check before you submit your assignment to make sure that you are sending it to your math class and not your English or your science class, and that the assignment is correct. Because remember, you have to turn in your assignment, get your feedback on it before going on to the next one. So if you're not sending it to the right spot, I can't unlock the next activity or the next lesson for you. Like I said 5 other times in this video, if you have any other questions on how to do something either today or a week from now, send me an email. I can either point you in the right direction of someone that has an answer, or I can answer it for you. Hopefully this video was helpful for you and your parents to navigate through my class.